Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, my dear patrons. It's me, FlyLady Kat, and today we're talking about getting back on track. Has your train jumped the track? Have you gotten off kilter? Are you off? Have you fallen off the wagon? I hear all kind of different things that people tell me that's happened to them. They've fallen off the wagon. They're off track. So let's get back on track. Here's how we do that. If you have let things get out of control, the first thing I want you to do is your morning routine. If it's daytime and you're just in that funk, and you're like, oh, everything's all screwed up. I got all these laundry to do and no clean dishes, no groceries, my bills haven't been paid. I want you to start with your morning routine. Go right into the bedroom and make your bed. I don't care if the sheets haven't been washed for 2 weeks, go make your bed. Then go in the bathroom and brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize your skin, brush your hair. If it's dirty, put it back in a ponytail or put it up. Put on your clothes. Put a little bit of makeup on, not a lot, but if you wear makeup, put a little makeup on. Put a little pair of earrings on. Put a little bracelet on, do something. Then put your shoes on if you wear shoes in your house. Then go into the kitchen, and any clean dishes you can find, if there are any, put them away. And then put whatever you can still fit into the dishwasher in it. And then I want you to put soap in it, and I want you to run it. While it's running, I want you to run a sink full of soapy water. So take all the dishes and crap out of the sink. Throw away the crappy parts, the potato peels. If you have a nasty washcloth in there, wring it out. Go put it in the wash pile. You'll get to it in a minute. Let the water out of the sink. Run soapy hot water in there. Start with your silverware. Drop all the silverware in there. Then put your glassware in there and start washing glasses. Have a nice place to rinse them and a place to put them to drain. Next, I want you to wash your bowls and your plates and your salad plates, little plates, dessert plates. Wash those. Put them in the rack. Rinse them. Put them in the rack. Next, I want you to wash your pots and pans. Rinse them. Lay them out to drain. Then wash the silverware. Put it in the rack. Then I want you to wipe out that sink, dry it, take that dish towel, go put it in the dirty clothes, and put a clean dish towel out. Now I want you to spritz the counters with something. I don't care if it's vinegar, or if you don't have a spritzer, put it on a cloth. Wipe the cloth over, clean cloth, over your sink, not your sink, over your countertops, over your stove top, over the table, and rinse it if it's vinegar, because that smells yucky, but it's good and it'll get rid of bugs and get rid of germs. Anyway, dry it, go get another clean towel, put a new clean towel out. Now your kitchen's going to look a lot better. Sweep your floor. Okay, now your kitchen is in control pretty much. I know you may have some stuff cluttered in there that needs to be decluttered, but that's okay. Next, I want you to go into your, what do I want you to do next? Your laundry room or laundry area. Sort your laundry into whites, darks, mediums, towels, and sheets. What do you need the worst? Underwear, towels, whatever it is, do a load of that. Now, I know you won't have 4 or 5 loads. I know you'll have 10 or 12 loads or more. but do one load of what you need the worst. If everybody needs it, then wash 2 loads of that. Get that all washed up. Then go next to the next important thing. This is going to be an all-day affair, so you're going to listen for that dryer. When it says it's done, you're going to go straight in there because listen, you are disciplining yourself today. This is all you're doing. You can't go anywhere. You can't do anything. We're going to do laundry. When the laundry's dried, you're going to fold it. Take it to a flat area. Your bed is a good place because it's made. Fold it. Go put the towels away wherever they go. Go put the underwear away wherever it goes. Go put your shorts, your t-shirts, your slacks, your dresses, your underwear, we talked about underwear, your pajamas, the kids' stuff. Don't lay it on their bed, just go put it away. You're gonna make things easy today. All right, now you've got some laundry under your belt, so you're feeling a little bit better. You know what stacks you have left. Maybe you're not gonna do it all today. Maybe you're gonna do 4 loads today, maybe 5. And then you're gonna say, tomorrow if I do the same thing, maybe I can eventually catch up. A lot of times people have so much laundry because they have way too many clothes and they're just using up everything they have instead of washing some good things and using them over and over. So think about that when you're going through these clothes, when you're folding them. Are these things that need to go in my giveaway pile? All right, so that's what I want you to do to get back on track. Then tonight, I want you to do your before bed routine really, really well. When you're done with the before bed routine and the kids have theirs done, then you're going to go to bed and you're going to get up at a decent hour and you're going to do your morning routine first thing in the morning. Remember, the morning routine includes making your bed, getting yourself ready, toilet and sink are cleaned, dishes have been put away from yesterday, and you've had breakfast, and the same with the kids, okay? Next, you're gonna do your basic weekly plan item. So whatever that is, we are not gonna catch up with everything else you've missed. We're just gonna jump right in. So let's say it's car and purse day. Do your car and purse today. I know there's other things that seem important, but it's all important. Or let's say it's Saturday, family fun day, then don't do anything. Or Sunday, renew your spirit day. Have fun with the family. Renew your spirit day, go renew your spirit. On Monday, weekly home blessing hour is going to start. On Tuesday, free day, you're not going to do anything. Laundry, paper, that's it. Wednesday, planning and desk day, really critical. Thursday, errand day, groceries. Okay, so you're just going to kind of go right back in, and you're also going to add your zone. So whatever zone we're in, you're going to work for 10 minutes in that room, or 15 if you need to declutter it. At the end of 5 weeks, you're going to have gone through your whole house, and you're going to have at least an hour in each of the 5 zones. And you're going to have done your weekly home blessing hour 5 times, so you will have had your laundry washed 5 times on your bed, your bedding. You would have had 5 times cleaning the bathroom floors, 5 times vacuuming, 5 times dusting, 5 times wiping spots off the glass, 5 times emptying the garbage. It's going to look a lot better in a month. So this is how you get back on track. And then you commit to yourself that you're going to stay on track. That's how you get back on track. Okay, and a lot of times you'll be shocked at how easy it is to get back on track because you're not as behind as you think. Sometimes we think, oh my gosh, what have I let my house turn into? And it really is just 15 minutes to pick it up. So you'll be surprised. All right, that's it for today. I hope that you get back on track. I can't wait to see what you have to say about it. And remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.